everyone! Silas is about to get a Momo in a box. He had surgery on his eye on Thursday, so his eye might be a little red, but that's normal. Now he's going to be able to see his Momos better. What'd you get? You got a monkey? With a striped shirt. A red striped shirt. That's a very cool monkey. More box? Okay. Let's see what you get this time. Hurry! Open it! Open it! Open it! What'd you get? What'd you get? Oh my gosh! I'm so excited! What could it be? What is it? What'd you get? A monkey? How does he turn on? Can you show me? On his foot? I don't see a button on his foot. How do we turn him on? His hand.
Bye-bye.
You want to put him on YouTube? Yeah? Bye-bye, everyone. Thanks for watching. Silas and his monkey, made by Gemmy Industries.